Hello, I'm Kit Allowitz, and welcome to another short video on the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. By now, you have got to have gotten through the material. Did you love it? Did you like the book? Well, today I'd like to give you, yet again, another short, biased view of Kit Allowitz, from Kit Allowitz, about how the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People is truly one of the smartest books ever written. Why? Because Stephen Covey took the natural laws, the principles, and he organized them into habits, and then he put a sequential nature to them such that if you choose to follow the 7 habits, it can truly produce a highly effective life, however that shows up for you. So today we want to cover habit number 5, which is first seek to understand, then to be understood. So I'd like to start with a question for you today, and we might put in a true or false statement. Is this sound true or false? Most of us listen with the intent to reply rather than with the intent to understand. How does that resonate with you? My experiences in my own personal life is, yep, that's pretty much unequivocally true. We listen with the intent to reply rather than with the intent to understand. This, my friends, is a problem. How can we expect to mutually influence each other or go for mutually beneficial outcomes if we only are listening to another person in order to respond? Habit number 5, seek first to understand, then to be understood. It's really about intense intentionality. It's about genuinely listening to another person, honestly seeking to understand their points of view. Some of that capacity or capability is a skill, and some of it is simply an attitude. The skill part includes doing things like maybe repeating, rephrasing, reflecting feeling, rephrasing content and feeling, or maybe even redirecting. When another person, human being, feels understood, there are little limits as to what is possible. I would like to invite and encourage you to give a deep-seated attempt to trying to listen with the intent to understand. First seek to understand, then to be understood. I'd like to invite you also on the holistic level to live to become the 7 habits. Live it, breathe it, do it, be it. I'm Kit Allowitz, and we'll see you next time.